Hello guys, welcome to this channel. Today's video, I'll walk you through step-by-step process of creating a custom URL YouTube name. As a creator, to be able to create a customer URL, you need to meet a minimal requirement be applied to customer URL. First, you need to have at least 100 subscribers. Second, your account should be at least 30 days old. Third, you should upload a profile picture for your YouTube channel. Fourth, you should upload a banner picture for your YouTube channel. So to start, click on Chrome browser or any browser of your choice. In the address bar, type youtube.com. Press enter. Log in with your email and password to access your YouTube Studio portal. So to create a customer URL, click on your profile picture, then click on YouTube Studio. And then click on customization, then click on basic info. Head under the channel URL, you will find set a customer URL for your channel, then click on it. By clicking on it, enter your customer URL name of your YouTube channel, or you can change it by default. When you create the YouTube channel, YouTube will give you full URL. This the top channel URL. To create a customer URL, click on custom URL to set it. The customer URL name, that you click on publish the YouTube channel name. Confirm. This will help you to publish URL. Please kindly subscribe to this channel by clicking the bell icon to receive an update.